How to use AI to create a YouTube video. Artificial intelligence is already used in many different fields. It helps us recognize faces, cars, and even good and bad credit risks. But there's one place where AI is still relatively new, in the arts. Artificial intelligence can be applied to many problems, but one of the most interesting areas is its use in creative endeavors. It's fascinating to watch creative content coming from a machine, and with the rise of neural networks, we can finally do this. How does it work? There are two parts involved: training and generating. First is where you train your AI what should be in a video by giving it lots of example videos. Then you feed it new footage, and it generates new videos based on what it learned from training. The following tools let you do just that. You can create a robot that makes music or art, or even a virtual assistant that can edit your videos for you. What is AI video generator? Artificial intelligence is perhaps the most exciting field of computer science today. With the power to solve problems that stumped humans for decades, AI has transformed fields from healthcare to robotics. Trying to create a music video can be a tedious process. It's hard to find the right clips and edit them together in a way that makes sense, and you might get bored waiting for the computer to render your project. Fortunately, there are tools that employ advanced AI technology to do the heavy lifting for you. You can use these tools to create music videos, slideshows, and even marketing videos. With many of these tools, you don't have to worry about writing code or training a neural network yourself. All you have to do is pick out your favorite tunes and tell it how you want your video cut together. The AI engine takes care of the rest. Generating videos using AI. AI-based video editing tools are not only powerful, but also easy to use. Many of these platforms have minimal learning curves and allow you to create videos in a matter of minutes. Telling stories with video is an incredibly compelling way for businesses to connect with their audience and tell the world about what they do, why they do it, and what makes them different from everyone else. Creating high-quality videos is easier today than ever before, thanks to advances in artificial intelligence, AI. From automated voiceover creation tools to sophisticated AI-based editing programs, there are countless AI-powered tools on the market today that can help you produce videos quickly and easily while still retaining great quality. You don't have to be a creative genius or have a background in film or digital media production in order to create videos anymore. Here is a list of some of the leading advanced video editing tools that support AI video creation. How can you put it all together to create a video for YouTube, for example? If you're a video professional, you know that the process of creating a video can be quite time-consuming. From script creation to production and editing, it usually takes hours, sometimes days before you have something that you're happy with. But what if there was a tool that could help you create videos much faster? Well, there is. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, have been assisting creative professionals for years now. You can use these advanced tools to automatically create videos from images. These image-to-video platforms have minimal learning curves and allow you to create videos in a matter of minutes. Have you used AI to create something special? Share your experience here. Thanks for watching.